Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Zesty, nice to meet ya. I hope this video finds you well. I am here today to provide you with another flip that I have just completed. So this is actually my very first Ikea flip video, which is really exciting for me. This is with a piece that I've had for a while now. It is the Vidja floor lamp, as you can see here. I really do love this lamp. I love the light that it gives, but I just find it very plain, and I wanted to zhuzh it up a bit, give it a little bit more style. So I am bringing you this easy Ikea floor lamp flip today. If you have this lamp and you wanted to do something different with it, this is the perfect video for some inspiration. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alrighty, let's get into the video. So as you can see, this is basically just a big tube. So this actually comes together and apart really easily. So the lamp has 3 sections. So this is just like a fabric that is Velcro together, which is pretty neat. So I'm gonna just dismantle it. That off. So for now, I'm really only going to be working with these rings, so I'm just going to set everything else to the side. So I got myself some wooden dowels for this project, and I got them in different sizes. So I have these little ones over here, I have these bigger ones, and I also have a pack of popsicle sticks. So I'm gonna be making a design with all of the dowels and the popsicle sticks that are basically going to cover each of these. And I have 2 of these. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna do the top yet. I know that I want to do a really cool design with the dowels covering these, and then we're going to be painting them so that they look super nice. Here I am putting the dowels and popsicle sticks together to form a pattern that I like. So this is the design that I am going for here. I'm going to be attaching these dowels and popsicle sticks all around these rings. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do it yet, so I'm gonna figure out a way to make this as easy as possible. I found that the best way to do this was to make smaller sections first that I could easily attach to the rings. I started by attaching smaller sections together with my hot glue gun and painter's tape. As you can see here, I used some popsicle sticks and tape as a template or guide to ensure all of my pieces were straight when I was gluing them down. I found this was the easiest way to put these together while ensuring that everything remained straight and even. After the glue had dried to the tape, I cut off the excess like so. And I made enough of these to loop around the lamp. For the popsicle sticks, I glued them together so that they would have a little bit more thickness to them. After my pattern pieces were complete, I glued them down to the plastic rings with my glue gun, and I made sure that I was lining all of the long dowels to one another so that they would look even. I also reinforced the back of each section with some hot glue and tape for some extra security. I couldn't complete the pattern along the back, so I filled it in the best I could. I wasn't too worried about this part showing because I knew this was going to be facing the back of the lamp. After reinforcing the inside, I used some joint compound to fill in any gaps. Once it dried, I took it outside and gave it a good sanding to smooth everything out. I also used a damp paper towel to get out all of the dust from the creases. I completely forgot to film this part, but I did add some Mod Podge after sanding to seal in the joint compound. I don't know if that is necessary, but I do like how Mod Podge smooths everything over and gives it a little bit more strength. I spray painted both pieces with Rust-Oleum Antique Brass. I really love this color and I'm so glad I ended up using it for this project. As you can see here, I sprayed in even strokes to avoid drips and shook the can plenty of times between sprays. I also spray painted the top and bottom pieces to match. So everything is dry now, so I'm really excited to put this together. I really hope that this fits because I did not test it out before painting it. So if it doesn't fit, then this was all a complete fail, but I'm assuming that if you're watching this, this worked, so fingers crossed. So I'm gonna go ahead with the first one. Okay, guys. It fit. Okay, we're okay. We're doing good. This looks really cool so far. I finished assembling the lamp, and after that was done, this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. What do you guys think? I think that this lamp looks way more stylish, and I really love the new color of it. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far and you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me, you can definitely subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. See ya.